I'm pretty sure the thought that your parents are gonna abandon you should be a normal thing as well, and abuse children. But see, I wasn't abused that much. Though, according to my parents, apparently I was staying like at a church when I was like maybe like 3 years old, and the nuns were taking care of kids. But one time they saw me bruised up and they reported it, and I guess one of the nuns was beating the shit out of me. You know, little 3-year-old me just fucking tanking all those fucking hits. I think this was before I gained consciousness, 'cause I was all bruised up all over the place, and then they asked me, "Who hit you?" And I was like, "Her." I'm pretty sure they fired her because, you know, that's straight up child abuse. And I sometimes think about that. Is that the root of all my issues?